we moved it here. So I will show you the entire setting process. So this is the main machine, the AC coupled battery inverter. This is a cable. So it comes with a battery, but it's actually a rudimentary cable, which is the same as a lot of equipment like your computer or rice cooker. So what I can do is remember the port here, which is the only port of the Asia, literally. So I plug it in. Right now there's no power, so I'm safe. I'm safe to touch, although not recommended, but it's just safe. Now what you do is you plug it into the wall. So the wall outlet can be either powered or unpowered. Doesn't matter, you plug it in. Now you can actually power up the machine, like energize the socket if you want. So back to here, the screen is still off. In my case, it's already powered. So what I do is I long press the button on the right, the power button, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at most 5 seconds, the screen is on. So it will do a power cycle and a self-check process. Once it's done, it will enter the so-called standby mode.